Hi children, how are you all? I hope that you are fine. So today also I'm here there with a new video that's about how to write capital and simple letters beautifully using a double rule book. So let's move on to the video. Capital A, simple A. Capital B, simple B. Capital C, simple C. Capital D, simple D. Capital E, simple E. Capital F, simple F. Capital G, simple G. Capital H, simple H. Capital I, simple I. Capital J, simple J. Capital K, simple K. Capital L, simple L. Capital M, simple M. Capital N, simple N. Capital O, simple O. Capital P, simple P. Capital Q, simple Q. Capital R, simple R. Capital S, simple S. Capital T, simple T. Capital U, simple U. Capital V, simple V. Capital W, simple W. Capital X, simple X. Capital Y, simple Y. Capital Z, simple Z. Hope you learn a new thing and also enjoy my video. Subscribe my channel, like my video and also share the video. Let's meet soon with a new video. Until that, bye children.